Hello guys, welcome to Fish Academy. Yeah, today I'm in search of worm in order to feed my fish with it. Can you see this? Uh, fish they love eating worms so much. Well, so I have to go search for worm. Wow, you see, I just want my fish to eat a different thing today. Wow, I'm going to feed this to my fish. And there is no fish food that is as rich as worm. This one, this Fish Academy. And like I said, search of worm. Originally what fish eat inside the water, is what they eat inside the river, is worm, and they do enjoy eating it so much. Okay, so in search of worm. I guess you're gonna watch to the end to see how I'm going to use this. I'm going to feed my fish. Oh, this one is escaping. Come back. Okay. Got to watch to see how I'm going to feed the fish with this worm. Oh, wow. This is nice. This one is big. This one is big in here. Oh, wow. Let me get it out of the water. There's another one. In search of worm. Come out. My fish want to eat you. Okay. It's nice. Okay, there's another big one here. Oh, wow, he's in here. Don't know if you can see this. Oh, wow. How much? I'm going to feed my fish with this. Oh, there's another big one in here. Oh, wow. Oh. Yeah, I know you might be asking, is it that the worm is richer than other feed? Then I tell you, yes, worm is richer than every other fish food. This contains real animal protein. This is what they eat inside the river and every other thing. Actually, there are people that grow worm in order to sell and to also feed their fish with it. But if you cannot do this, anywhere you see worm, you can just pick them for your fish, and your fish will tell you thank you, just as you are going to tell Fish Academy thank you. Yeah. Well, there's another one here. Oh, come back. They're like hiding. Come out here. This is nice. In search of worm. This one, the one just have to come out. This big. Can you see? Oh, wow. In here. Okay, don't forget, I'm gonna feed this to my fish. Oh, there's another one in here. Oh, wow. Okay, let's go search for more. Yeah, I think there's another one in here. Oh, Yes, I want to feed my fish with it today. And I know it's not all of you that can do this, but according to my analysis, most of my subscribers, they are men, and I know if you're a man, you can do this. Even yeah, so I know you guys are not scared. Well, searching for worm. I just want to feed my fish with it. I just want my fish to eat another food. They have been eating this other type of food. I want them to eat the food they have been eating in the swamp, the food they have been eating inside the river. That's what I want to give them today. Well, if you've not yet hit the subscribe button, you please do hit the subscribe button below this video. And if you are new to this channel, you're welcome. This is how we do it. There are videos on how to prepare your fish food. There are videos on how to treat your fish. There are videos on how and where to get your fish pellet machine. There are videos on how to do so many things. There are videos on how to spawn. There are videos on how to do what, how to hatch, how to breed your fish, and soon there's going to be a video on how to do your kakaban. So many videos are going to come on board. I have over 100 videos on this channel, and that's why I say if you are new, you are welcome. You need to go back to watch all the videos that other subscribers have been watching. And if you like what is happening here and you wish your friends, your fellow farmers to know exactly what you've just benefited from this channel, you can you share the button, button to share this video with your friends. Yeah, this is how it is. Don't forget this Fish Academy. Watch to the end to see how I'm going to feed the fish with the worm you are seeing here.